Good morning, Maria Teresa.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Maria Teresa Pedro Pabula. I'm 27 years old. I'm a Filipina and I'm single mother.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you
Okay.
want to work as a maid?
Um, because my children and I need to help to support my children, ma'am.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because Malaysia is a beautiful country, ma'am.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I'm hardworking and physically fit, ma'am.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
I'm a sales lady in SM Lucena for almost 6 months, and I'm operator in Toshiba in 5 months, ma'am.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My children, ma'am.
Okay, and how about elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose elderly people you taking care of?
My grandmother and grandfather, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any other special skills?
Um, uh, I love washing clothes.
Mhm.
Yes, and uh, cooking, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with the family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino food, ma'am.
Like
Um,
what?
Sinigang, adobo.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Washing clothes, ma'am.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My sister, ma'am, and my mother-in-law.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works and when going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Okay, ma'am.
If ever your employer find out that you're abusing of using your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed for the terms and condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agreed to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am, and more.
Okay. Can you describe for me your ethics?
I'm an honest person and I'm hardworking.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
Um, I will finish my contract and then to support my family, my children, ma'am.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
Yes, ma'am. Ay,
What food?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to eat the type of food taken by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of being left alone in the house?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to work according to instruction from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have
I
any immediate family working in Malaysia?
no, ma'am.
Okay, Maria Teresa, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
Um, I'm continue my work, ma'am.
Okay, number two. Tell us about yourself and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
Um, I need work, ma'am, for my children and my family.
Okay,
For my
Maria Teresa. Okay. Okay, Maria Teresa, what do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
sir, madam, please choose me because I need this job for my children and my family future. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, Maria Teresa. We will update your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Thank you, ma'am.